Hello everyone, this is Ferhan from FerhanReviews.com, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to a new app called Nova, and also I'm going to tell you about my bonuses, so stay for the end. I'll show you all my bonuses, and I've just finished recording them so they are exclusive to my link. So what is Nova? Let me show you the sales page. So Nova is it's an app it's a plugin for Chrome. It's basically an extension excuse me, and what you do is you can increase your follower count on TikTok pretty much automatically on autopilot. Now the way it works is that you find big creators in your niche. So for example, if you were in a weight loss niche, find the big creators with big followings. You look at their top videos, and then you use the extension to follow people that have commented on that video. And there's a good chance that those people, once you follow them, they'll look at your page and they'll follow you back. So you build up your following, and by doing that you can increase your follower size, but also you can have affiliate links in your bio and stuff, and people will click on those and you'll get some commissions. So let me just run through the sales page quickly. It's a very simple process and it is really automated. You can leave it running on a second monitor or something in the background and let it increase your followers by itself. There's a lot to read here, but what you might want to watch, there are some free case study videos here. There's a lot to read, and it's around here. So these are some case studies. So in this one, David got his followers up to from about 100 to about 450 in, I think it was between 1 and 3 days. And all he did was leave running on autopilot, and he got the followers. And in another one of these videos, one of the users even got some sales. So this extension has got a lot of potential to not only increase your following, give you more presence on TikTok, but also to get you some affiliate sales. Now I recommend you watch these testimonials because they're actually real users of this app. They're beta users. Now let me show you inside the members area. So it's very straightforward. I mean, you don't need much training. So this is very straightforward to use, not much to it. You get the introduction, you get the overview, how to install the extension, how to use it, but this is the important one. This is the case studies. So in here you can see how this user got 200 followers per day, how they used one of the other add-ons, Instagram, how they got a sale in 24 hours, and another testimonial. There are upgrades as well, but I'll show you that in the next slide. And also they go through how to set up your offers that will convert using this new traffic and the new followers that you've got. So it's a very good plugin. It's very easy to install, very easy to set up, and it runs on autopilot. So let me tell you about the pricing. So it's launched on the 16th at 9 AM Eastern, 2 PM UK GMT. And with this you can grab a share of the massively exploding TikTok market. You can promote your own offers or just grow your own following, because once you get a following on TikTok, you get interaction. So with this app, people will like your videos, they will follow you, they'll comment. The more you get, the more often you get comments and likes, the more TikTok will promote your material. So you've got a higher chance of getting on people's home pages, For You pages. So the launch price will be just it will be $12.95. At the minimum, that is what you need, and that will really help you boost your following. The OTO1 upgrade, the Pro package, is the unlimited version of the app. So that is 47 with a downside of 27. So you get full unlimited accounts that you can access. OTO2 is the Done For You package. You'll get multiple Done For You campaigns that you can quickly promote and make commissions. OTO3 is the high ticket Done For You plus Instagram plus Twitter package. So you get the full suite, and that's $197 with a downside of $98.50. OTO4 is you get additional 3 apps that you can get reseller rights for, so you can sell it and make the full commission. That is $197 with a downside of $98.50. Now let me get to my bonuses. I've actually just finished recording the last one before I recorded this video. That's probably why my voice is a bit hoarse, but I've recorded a video to show you how to actually make money with Nova, and that's all well and good buying it, because even myself, I end up buying stuff, but I don't actually implement it. So in this training video, I'll show you how to actually make money with your new followers and your new following on TikTok. The second bonus is how to actually, how to get opt-ins fast. Now it's fine to try and make commission and get people to buy things or whatever, but if they don't buy things, then you lose that person, that potential sale. So this way, I'll show you how to quickly set up opt-ins, and you can capture that person, add it to an email list for future marketing. And the third bonus will be a complete TikTok video training guide. So it's an ebook and a complete training guide from the beginning to end of how to get set up and going with TikTok. So if you click on the link below and go to my page, there'll be a review page there. You can pick this up at the launch price. It's launching on the 16th at 9 AM Eastern, 2 PM UK. You'll get all of these bonuses automatically straight away once you purchase. And also I'll give you access to my private Facebook group. So hope you find it useful. Give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.